Even if I do not want them to, kasi magulo, hindi naman walang kwenta. Pangit naman pakinggan, pero merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko. Hindi ka naman magnegosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. To assure you of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable or productive life. Hindi ka makaasa dyan sa sweldo. Kailangan ka magnakaw. Ngayon, kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, paano mo nakawin? You have to falsify, you have to ghost project. Hindi natin kaya yan. Kasayang naman ang iniwan ng tatay ko na ito naabotan pa man ni John Ledesma. Kasayang naman yung legacy ng tatay ko tapos sisirain mo lang ng gano'n. I mean, makinabang pa siguro ang next generation, mga apo ko.
President, Mayor, would you like to comment? Kasi pagdating ngayong election, sabi-sabi, yung mga Nograles, itatakbo, yung tatlong Nograles. Ano yung reaction?
Sige mo na lang takbo. Sige lang lang kami hintay. Well, alam mo, modern day, lumipas na yung Almendras, Duterte, Veloso. May bagong crop, and there will always be contenders for public office. You should not begrudge the Nograleses if they also want the distinct honor of being their public office, congressman, mayor, or what else. We do not have the monopoly of ambition and desire. Kagaya ko, kasi tatay ko pa. At hindi yan nag-umpisa dito sa Davao.